Hi guys, welcome to Ingenious tutorial. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a data table in C#. Data table mean you can search some value in a data grid view in C#. Okay, first you have to create a form application, C# form application with one data grid view and a text field. Okay, I create a form application in C# and this is the form. This is my data grid view and also my text field. Okay, I put some column, 5 column to add 5 columns to this data grid view. First one is ABC, second one DEF, GHI, JKL, M, N, MNO. Okay, first of all you have to change these values. Allow user to add rows and allow user to delete rows. Those are the default value is true. You have to change it to false. That's the first thing. And you can put some column names here. Open column collection, then you can add some columns to this data grid view. Okay, this is my data grid view. The name is data grid view 1, and also I added a text field. Then I go to the key up function of this text field key up function. Okay, this is my function. First of all I create a method load products to grid view. In that method I put some values into the data grid view. I loop using this for loop. I loop this adding method 10 times, and it added to data grid view ABC1, ABC2, like that. Then this is my text box key up function. First get the text box is you have to check it not null. Then also if you press backspace again, clear the data grid view and load products to the grid view again. Then one by one I get the text field value and check data grid view and put it to data grid view list. Then I delete some values, delete not necessary values in data grid view. If in form load I load the load products to grid function. Okay, we can test it now. This is my data grid view. There are so many values here, 10 rows and 5 columns. Okay, in this text field I enter JKL1. Okay, all data will deleted without this row, because this row contains jkl1 value. Then we can check once again l2, then it will come, and also def7, then this is the value that row will select. Okay, this is the way to create a data table in C#. This data table you can use to search some values in your data grid view. Okay. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you interest this tutorial, you can subscribe my channel and also put your comment below, and like, don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.